At the light, turn right onto Midland Road.
All right, so we're here. Customer decided to pass on the upholstery cleaning, but we're still going to be doing some carpet cleaning. But I'm excited because we got a little challenge with this. I told her I was going to be doing some before and afters and stuff, so let's check it out. So yeah, we got some heavy traffic areas. And I already told the customer that I can't guarantee a perfect blend there because it's worn fiber, depending on how worn it is. And then we got pet stains. They're had a couple pets that are no longer here, so this is kind of through the years stuff that keeps popping back up when they clean it. So we're gonna see if we can take care of that for them. We got some stairs. I'm excited because I think we're going to have some really nice before and afters on this video. We're going to be using carpet detail. We're going to be treating it with Unchained. And then maybe some peroxide-based products for stains that's been there a while. They're a little tough. We'll see as we go along. So I'm gonna go along and do some specialty spotting for these stains first. What's up, guys? Just 1 second before the video starts. I want to thank you for watching, subscribing, and liking my videos. It's really helping. And just to let you know that down below in the description, you'll see a link to all the tools that I love and use. So if you ever have any questions, check it out. I'm always updating it, so stay tuned. have the tray in this because I don't want to pick up the solution. I just want to agitate it. So it already looks like it's already lightening up a lot just from the agitation, which is nice. A lot of people have issues when they get the power flight before they know how to use it. With it rolling, it does have wheels on the bottom, but you have to have both the switches, or your power switch down, which is on your, if you're looking at the machine this way, your right hand side. If you're looking at the machine operating, your left hand side. If you're looking at the machine operating, your right hand side. It has to be down, or else it won't roll. So. Pretty. So it doesn't really do good well over large steps or anything, you know, large bumps and all that stuff. But normal flat surfaces, it rolls just fine. So I got the glide off of this thing, and I didn't lean it on there. I kind of threw it over there and it kind of landed like that. Because on certain type of low pile carpets, sometimes it glides a little too much. So you take it off it, then it grips a little bit too much. So it's either not enough or too much, but I'm gonna go with too much because I know I'm getting the maximum amount of soil out of it. Really hard to do dry strokes, especially with holding the camera. So I'm gonna pause the camera. Alright guys, all finished up. If you didn't remember what it looked like before this, I'll leave before and afters, maybe even walk through video. Right after this. But it came out amazing. finished up. You want to go ahead and put on some shoe covers and check it out. So the stairs came out amazing. Upstairs look amazing. Yeah, so I think the customer's gonna be happy. She's gonna go and put the shoe covers on that I give them before I leave, and once everything dries up, it'll even look better. So if you like what you saw, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment. You know the routine. Until the next video, stay positive.